Video I will guide you how to type money symbol on laptop. This is the laptop keyboard. So if you don't want to memorize shortcut, Windows has a built-in symbol menu that works in any app. For this you need to press the window key plus semicolon key all together. This is the window key and this is the semicolon key. You need to press both keys all together. The emoji panel will be appeared up. And now click on the symbols icon for a small classic symbols character at the top. So once you click on that, you need to click on the dollar signs. And here you will see that different money symbols. So now click on the currency symbol tab. Look at for the dollar sign or whatever the currency symbol you want to insert. This is the dollar sign and this is the Bitcoin signs, and here is the Japanese yen sign. So these are the different signs. Whatever the signs you like, you just need to click to insert it like this one. So this way you can easily type money symbol on laptop. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.